There's two ways to do this question, really. First of all, we could sort of work out if each strip is 2 2/5 feet, how much would we have if we have 13 in total? So it would be 13 times 2 2/5. The other way is to actually work out how long it would be if I did cut 30 feet into 13 strips. So it would be 30 divided by 13. Um, which one's easiest? I think the multiplying fractions is the easiest. So I'm gonna do that and see if I get 30 feet. Because if I get less 30 feet or less, then I'll be okay. I can definitely get 13 strips. If I get more, then it means I can't. So it's going to be 13. Now I'm going to need to write this as a mixed number. So 1 is 5/5. 2 is therefore going to be 10/5. And I can add that to 2/5. I'm going to have 12/5 here. I'm going to need to do 13 times 12. Well, 12 times 12 is 144. So 13 times 12 is just 12 more than that. It's going to be 156. You could do a more complicated multiplication if you want. I'm still dividing by 5. Okay, now what? Probably, there's a few ways I could do this. I could do a short division, but I'm gonna double both. So that's gonna become 312 divided by 10. And therefore I can see I'm gonna get, that's in, I just need to simplify this. It's gonna be 31.2 feet. And this is greater than 30 feet, which is what I have. So she is not correct. That's absolutely fine. If you want to do it this other way, I'm going to write in red now. 30 divided by 13, that's a bit trickier really. We're going to need to do a short division. I'm going to need to write down my 13 times table. 13, 26, okay, it's going to be 2. And then my remainder is going to be 4. Then I'd need to do, but to be honest, at this point, I can just write it as 2, remainder 4, but that needs to be divided by 13, so it's 2 and 4/13. And then I'm going to need to compare this. Now 2 and 2/5 is 2 and 4/10. So 2 and 4/13 is less than 2 and 4/10, because if I divide by a larger number, this is going to be smaller. And therefore my strip length is going to be less than the actual strip length I want, and for the same reason she's not going to be correct. Like I said, I prefer this version on the left, but you can do a division as well.